Good morning, everyone. It's 5:46, and I just finished my morning workout and breakfast. Here I am. It's gonna be an Azure day. Gonna try to study all day. And just to give you guys a little update on how I'm doing in this basement, so I've been writing notes to keep myself sane because, I'm going kind of crazy down here. So I just want to quickly go over some things that I realized after writing all these notes. So I wrote down the things that I needed to do in the year 2021 to be successful. So here I got 2021 goals and I put down 15. And then I made another one called 9 steps to make more money. And these are the exams I need to take and everything like that. Then I thought maybe 9 steps is even too much. So I'm simpling it down because I don't want to discourage myself down the road. So here I wrote 6 steps in 2021 to make 6 figures. So here's my roadmap for this year to get a really good job. So, get my exam, get my other 2 exams, get this exam, sleep, eat, exercise well, and think about the people that I love. So, and here I'm putting down it's most important. It's an emergency, it's not just important, but it's also a freaking emergency, man. Like I gotta do it. So, just little reminders of myself. And then I started writing down my wish lists and stuff, and I started writing down, top LinkedIn profiles. And I'm gonna do a separate video on this, going over my favorite profiles. And these are profiles that inspired me to make my LinkedIn really good. And when I looked them up, they're amazing profiles. I started copying them, and then I got an awesome job because it started working, right? Because it works for these people, so it should work for you too. No reason why it shouldn't. And then, so again, I just finished working out, so sorry about this. I'm trying to work off my gut because I grew a gut during COVID. So I'm trying to work that off, and unfortunately the gyms are all closed, so I'm just doing push-ups here. Like on the floor, I'm doing push-ups, doing some leg raises and all that stuff, ab workouts and stuff. So, it's not the best place to work out, but at least I'm doing something. So hopefully this video inspires you to maybe wake up a bit early. And what I did was I have a second phone, and if you don't have a second phone, just get an alarm clock. I put the second phone across the room from me. So I sleep on the couch right there, and I put the second phone right here on the desk. And then I wrote a little note on it, a little sticky note saying, write this: want to make 6 figures? Circle 1, yes or no. And you put that note right on the phone, and you put a pen on top of it. So now if you want to turn the alarm off, now you have to take the note off, but then you're reading the note and you're saying, if I'm going to go back to sleep, then I guess I'm not making 6 figures, right? So now you just hold yourself accountable, and now I actually got up this time. So I've been setting the alarm for 5 a.m. for the whole week, and I haven't woken up a single time. Last night I put that note down there, and it actually helped. It helped a lot. It's 5:46, just finished my workout, just finished my breakfast, and I'm ready for the day. So, I hope this video helps. Those success stories where everything's all amazing, that's not what success is. This is success. This is, well, not yet, but this is the process of success, So I'm tired as hell. My mind's not working properly. I hope this makes sense. Catch you in the next video. Next video will be about Azure, IT and stuff like that. I'll make a LinkedIn video too. Stay tuned. Thank you.